Want to log out of Messenger on Android or iOS? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open the Messenger app on your Android or iOS device. Now here you can see that the app doesn't have a built-in logout button, but there are other ways to do that. On Android, open up Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now scroll down and select Messenger. From here, you want to select Storage. Now go ahead and tap on Clear Data, then tap on Delete. This will delete all of the application's data, including the login details. Now another option is to uninstall Messenger completely. Go ahead and tap on Messenger and then tap on the uninstall option. Once you remove it, you'll be logged out automatically and you can reinstall it later if needed. If you're using iOS, the easiest method is to open the Facebook app. Then go to Menu. Now tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now go to Account Center. Now tap Password and Security. Then select where you're logged in. Now select the device running Messenger and tap on the Logout option. If you use multiple Messenger accounts, you can also manage them directly in the app. And in this way, you can easily log out of Messenger on both Android and iOS. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.